We'll guide you through how to configure Namecheap MX records. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you will see a list of your domains. Click on the Manage button next to the domain for which you want to configure MX records. In the Domain Management page, look for the Advanced DNS tab at the top and click on it. Here, you'll find a section for mail settings. Set it to Custom MX to manually configure your MX records. Now, you need to add new MX records. Click on Add New Record and select MX record from the list. You'll need to enter the values provided by your email hosting provider. Typically, you need to enter the mail server, which is often something like mail.yourdomain.com, and the priority, which helps mail servers decide which server to use first. Lower numbers mean higher priority. Enter these details carefully. Repeat the process if you have multiple MX records to add. Make sure all your entries are correct and match the details given by your email service provider. After you've entered all your records, double-check everything. Any mistakes can result in email delivery issues. Once you're sure everything is correct, save your changes. Namecheap may take a few minutes to update the DNS settings, so be patient. You can check if everything is set up correctly by using online tools like MX Toolbox to verify your MX records. And that's it. Your Namecheap MX records should now be configured correctly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.